And we could potentially have an active overnight and a slight risk for flooding. Right now, the radar shows some storms forming out towards the west, especially in Zavala County. So I'll show you that coming up. But right now, here's a look at downtown San Antonio. As of right now, things are calm with a current temperature of 83 degrees, but it still feels like 92 degrees because this humidity has been oppressive. And here's everything you need to know over the next couple of days. Possible widespread rain throughout the overnight due to a disturbance. Then we'll have pop-up storms tomorrow afternoon, very hit or miss and scattered in nature. Thankfully, Father's Day will be a drier day with just a 10% chance of rain. So go out and grill with your dad. However, please stay hydrated because it feels like temperatures will once again be in the triple digits. So here's a look at the radar. Most places are dry, but going out towards the west, we have a wave of rain and storms just south of Cotulla that just went through Laredo. And what we're seeing is an outflow boundary. And that outflow boundary is triggering even more storms, and it's causing for storms to form not only in Cotulla, but in Zavala County and Uvalde. And what we're thinking is that this outflow boundary will trigger even more widespread storms. And with the northeastern direction, it could head into San Antonio in the I-35 corridor throughout the overnight as well. So this is the reason why we are mentioning the slight risk for flooding, because we could see high rainfall rates with these storms. Temperatures are in the lower 80s right now, mid 80s down towards the south in Pearsall and in Cotulla. And the futurecast shows those storms expanding throughout the overnight. We should see most of the activity by 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning. This shows the most coverage across south central Texas, and then dissipating right around 6 to 7 o'clock. By tomorrow afternoon, we should see pop-up showers, and storms will be very scattered in nature. Now, looking at the flooding outlook, much of the risk for flooding will come throughout the overnight, and we have a slight risk for flooding for our southern counties, the southern half of Bexar County, and also counties towards the southwest encompassing Eagle Pass and in Cotulla. So that's why we have a weather impact alert throughout the overnight and throughout tomorrow afternoon because of the slight risk for flooding. Once again, most of the chances for flooding will come in the overnight. So if you're out and about driving throughout the early to mid morning and you see puddles on the road, I would suggest turning around and not drowning because most flooding deaths come from vehicles. Now, looking at the weekend forecast, we have a 40% chance of rain and storms throughout the afternoon. We'll see temperatures into the lower 90s, and also temperatures will also be in the lower 90s for Father's Day. However, we'll only have a 10% chance of rain with clearing skies. It will be breezy. We'll have winds coming in from the south at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And the rain chances over the next 7 days. Once we get into the work week, we'll have slim to none rain chances. Our highest rain chance will be on Tuesday and Thursday, with a 10% chance of rain respectively. Here's a look at the 14-day forecast. Weather impact alert throughout the overnight and throughout tomorrow afternoon because of the chance from storms. Then we'll have a 10% chance of rain on Sunday for Father's Day. Also, Sunday is the first official day of astronomical summer, and it'll feel like summer because we'll have feels like temperatures in the triple digits. So if you're going out grilling, please stay hydrated. Nice sunny day on Monday, temperatures in the mid 90s, and we'll have temperatures in the mid 90s for the rest of the next week. Could see feels like temperatures well into the triple digits.